Startables, the simple way to build real Spanish, one pattern at a time. Today's Startable is Necesito. It means I need. You can use necesito in two easy ways. Necesito plus a noun and necesito plus a verb. Pattern number 1. Necesito plus noun. This means you need a thing. For example, necesito leche. I need milk. Pattern number 2. Here's how it works. Take the word necesito, which means I need, and attach any verb in its basic form. That's it. No conjugation, no complications. Example number 1. Necesito comer. I need to eat. Necesito comer. I need to eat. Example number 2. Necesito aprender más. I need to learn more. Necesito aprender más. I need to learn more. Example number 3. Necesito practicar español. I need to practice Spanish. Necesito practicar español. I need to practice Spanish. Example number 4. Necesito dinero. I need money. Necesito dinero. I need money. And finally, necesito recordar esto. I need to remember this. Necesito recordar esto. I need to remember this. See how simple that is? One pattern, infinite sentences. That's Startables. Watch the next Startables lesson to keep building your Spanish.